Hey, yo, good morning. How you guys doing?
Yo,
Good morning,
good morning, brother.
Morning.
Get it. Los.
We are
Still have
live now. Let's
Oh,
go.
sorry.
I just go on. I just want to say we're live.
Oh,
Oh, we're live?
Sir,
Fire. Good morning.
hold on.
YouTube is running.
Good morning, YouTube. Where's my chat? Where's my chat? Where's my chat on YouTube, bro? I found it.
Got it?
Good morning, everybody. Yeah. Hope everyone's doing well. I need to put my camera on. The sun is blinding.
Already. Still dark for me.
What? The sun?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's completely dark outside for me.
Wow, the sun's blinding me, bro. Good morning, Simon. Good morning, brother.
Let's wait a couple of minutes.
Yeah, we can wait a little bit, yeah.
And start with the prayers and the top down.
Yeah. These subs were not bad. Sadly, I only just got to the desk, but this was a clean
It is
move.
what it is.
Yeah, Orca just posted them, right? I saw that in the chat. Be nice.
Yeah, Upper took these cells. 5,000.
I haven't even looked at the chart yet.
Ben probably just seen it. This was a great move, though. This far looks like it wants to bleed. We'll just wait a little bit, then we'll get into the analysis. Five kgs of steak, doubly the grand. That's crazy. How long would that last you?
A week.
2 days.
Just for today, bro.
Yeah.
How was your
The
day?
grand swallow, bro. That makes sense.
How was your morning?
Mine?
Yeah.
It was good, bro. It was good. Super chill. These guys are still drilling, but thankfully they're further out. So that kind of woke me up a little bit earlier, but other than that, it's been good. Yours?
Same. Chill. Bliss. So confusing to me. Like, we are just 1 hour from apart, the time zones, and looking out of your window, it's completely bright already, and looking out of my window, it's
Right.
still absolutely dark.
Seriously?
Yeah.
But it's like almost 8 a.m. there.
Yeah, it looks like we're in two absolutely different time zones.
Basically.
That's crazy.
Is it dark for you too, Aaron? Good morning, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's dark, bro.
Look at George camera how bright it is already.
Bro, it looks like he's like at the beach, bro.
Yeah.
What? It's been bright for like an hour and a half. Bright.
All right, let's see how many people we got here.
In a sweatshirt, I'm cold.
How many people we got on the live? No?
What again?
How many people we got on the live?
Right now we got 10 people watching.
Okay.
Good morning to everyone. About to
Good
start
morning.
here.
Yeah, I mean we can start, and then the newcomers, if they got questions, we can just answer.
That's true.
We could also just wait for this stupid file to close.
Simon, yeah, I would say like 80% of us are GC traders. We get Lewis trade in NQ, but he's mainly active in the pre-NY and NY sessions and some Asia. But I think London, we don't really have a lot of NQ traders in general in here. You could change that for us.
Morning, real Joe. Morning, brother. Week was good. Yeah, some challenging price action, to be honest, but we're still good. How about you, brother? Hey, LeGrand, I'm just looking, bro. I'm just looking. The 15, it makes sense to buy for the 4-hour top wick, but that's very risky because the 30 and the 1 hour closing bearish, and the 4 hours closing extremely weak.
Hello, Joe. What's up, brother? Bro, I saw you killing it, bro. Big W's.
We'll get into this breakdown in 1 minute.
Yeah.
As this file closes.
Sounds good, brother. See if my 4 hours bugging. Yeah. No. We're good. Yesterday, Top Step wouldn't show me the 4 hour, bro.
Yeah, sometimes it doesn't load.
It was crazy.
Trying to prevent information. $2K payout plus 8K on one XFA and 2K on another XFA. 2026 is off to an amazing start.
Hey.
Real Joel Troy.
Massive W, bro.
Really.
Massive W, Joel.
16 days in. Not bad. W.
OH, baby.
Not too shabby.
Yeah.
I'm from Ohio.
What up, John? Good morning. Yeah, these buys don't look awful. I'm gonna hold off since it's so early. And the 1 hour and 30-minute close, very strong bearish. 4 hour also just came to a close, but they don't look too bad to give the 4 hour top wick.
Mm-hmm.
These two are like 8.9. Yeah, I'm gonna hold off on these.
Might be down the dab on these.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. This would be my position. Probably look to close for around this zone right here.
Well, me.
Yeah.
Yep. It's good. Not a bad position, honestly. I mean, we just closed
Yeah, it's
at
done.
this. With a support at the. Just like you said. 1 hour just open.
Yeah. Yeah. If this thing comes down and breaks a low, maybe I'll be interested. But let's do an analysis. Let's get reading these charts. But these buys don't look half bad. It doesn't matter.
If I get activated, I get activated. Let's see.
Let's pray and then let's break these charts down.
Sorry. All right. You're right.
Alrighty. Jesus, we thank you for this day you provide for us, Lord. We just want to thank you for the blessing and the gift of life that we were able to wake up this morning, Lord. We don't take that for granted. We thank you that we're able to do what we do. Thank you for bringing us all together. I just ask that you'll just bless the session, bless each and every one of us that come in and out of the stream and of the Discord this morning. Just go before us, and I just pray we'll have a super productive and successful day, no matter what, that we give all the praise and glory to you. Praise in your name only. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Righty, so daily close bearish. We filled pretty much all the wick, and we have tapped the support again. When will the retracement on the daily happen? I believe it will happen if once we close below this resistance, then I believe we could retrace to at least 67, maybe even come all the way down to 33. But for now, we're still above the range. I mean, the previous daily closed above this previous range, which is this right here. And now we're trading in it. But we did close above, so I would not be surprised if this daily would flip at some point and keep driving bullish. The 4 hours stuck in this chop. Also nasty closure. This closure is not favorable for buys because we got this massive rejection, and we did close below most of the mess above here, so it looks clean at some point to come down. However, we do have this zone here to the left, which I would kind of need to get out of in order for me to take sells. But for the time being, this far closed very weak, and we rejected this upper zone here. But now we're coming up to form a top wick. I mean, this top wick could go anywhere. This top wick could go retest this support right here at 6.3, or we could fill some of this wick. We could tap this support over here at 14.7, Or if gold wants to juice, which no one can stop it from doing, we could fill this entire range again. Um, but for the most part, this 4 hour is not very good for buys. So let's look what the lower time frames are doing. Yeah, sells. I mean, based with that 4 hour closure, you want to take sells, but then you look at this terribly disgusting range. I mean, every time we've come into these ranges, gold's just decided to juice. So a closure below all this mess is the only thing that makes sense for proper sales. There might be an opportunity to get risky at around these levels in the 1 hour to take sales to fill at least this clean range. It's a 70 pip range, so it's pretty clean. Let's see if the 30, yeah, 30 has the same support uh, with the same range, so it looks pretty good to get aggressive depending on how price prints for us. The nearest resistance, man, this is tough. This is tough. But we can keep it for here now because if we close above this range right here on the 30, we do have some clean traffic to take advantage of to go ahead with this 4 hour top wick formation. Doesn't look terrible. This 15 did print a nice support, which we spoke about just before the analysis. These buys do make sense. I just held off because the 30 and 1 hour was super bearish. But it looks like it's playing out really nice actually. But yeah, on the 15, I'd have to get a closure above here to take buys to fill the rest of this range. Yeah, sells to get aggressive on sells, it looks pretty good below here, and buys look pretty good above here. But W15 push, it's looking good. Yeah, that's my analysis.
Yeah. Nice.
Goldie pumping.
I agree.
Yeah, there's my target. W Legrand, W bro.
Big W Legrand. Sit down for the day. No, bro. I have to do the prayer. I'll catch the next one though. Okay.
Oh, I see. You got the new screen, George.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can see that now.
It looks a bit bigger, right? It should.
Yeah. Definitely. Problem is, looks a little bit small now on OBS
Really?
because it's so wide, no?
Oh. Can't you change the aspect ratio on OBS?
Take away your order panel on the right since to see.
Yeah, we don't.
Get a little.
Yeah, Legrand. Also, I would have had a 4609 as a TP, as well, up to the off the 5 minute, and the entry would have been off the 5 minute too, like you took it. Just to go over the trade, you know. And now it's a 3 bar play off on the 5 minute, and so yeah, basically what we talk about on the higher time frames being applied to the lower time frames, and then coming back up to fill that no top wick, basically. W. Look on the 15, beautiful, bro. Just like you said, George. Good call.
Yeah, it was clean.
I know.
Clean. Anyone ever tried lucid funding? I have not. I have not.
I've also not, but someone in our chat has. Someone just got to pay.
Yeah, someone in the Discord
Yeah, in our
is
Discord.
using it.
Yeah.
I think it's what is it?
Is it AJ?
I think it's AJ.
I think it was AJ. Yeah.
Big dummy.
What is it?
I think so.
No.
No?
I can't look it up right now.
It is AJ. I'm using Lucid. I got a combine yesterday. Slow small. Yeah, it's AJ.
W.
Yeah. Noob. Noobly. Good morning. Sorry,
Wasn't
bro.
there
Sorry for butchering that.
another one having a first payout ever with Lucy?
Yeah, wasn't the guy that won the giveaway?
Yeah. So I think there's another one.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. No. Yeah, Joel, give them a shot and let us know. Let us know. I'm kind of like married to Top Step though. I love that.
Yeah, LeGrand, don't force it, bro. But since it's a combine, maybe take another trade today if it presents itself, you know? But it's not a bad idea to also shut it down for the weekend. But since it's a combine, then I would be open to taking another trade. But it's your call at the end of the day. And it depends on how the week's been, where your XFA status is at. A lot of those things also, you know, play a factor into that.
Okay, bro. Hope I got it right this time.
What happened?
I struggled to pronounce someone's name.
Xenu Black. Hey, good morning, Allison.
Allison, good morning.
How do you guys manage multiple prop accounts? Trade all at the same time or no? And I think that is Themis, if I'm not wrong. For me, I would say, I mean, everybody's different. For example, like the way I know Lewis does it and the way AB does it is also different. But for me, I just trade mine all differently. Like, so I trade mine at different times, basically. I always have. So I've never like copy traded all across, all the same, never.
I think AB really bases it off the rules of each prop firm and then the trades he wanna take and if he's like up on the one account or not, you know. So I guess if you're most of us would do like trade top step for example, and then if you hit a nice W or your daily loss, you're just gonna switch to the other prop firm. I don't think there's a lot of trades where you would just full margin everything because it's really hard to manage too, right? Place all those trades on different platforms.
How you doing this morning, Allison? Good to see you.
You guys think AB's coming?
Burn and push. Burn and push like often. Yeah, it wasn't a super random push. Before I just closed, we knew that we could expect a decent top pick. This 15 did print a support. Yeah, but the volume is pretty, came out of nowhere. Looks like London might be showing up for once.
Oh, bro, we gotta play Rebecca Black
No.
All right, if we win a trade live, we gotta play Rebecca Black. It's Friday.
Well, you know, she's
I
fully
win.
in control of that, and you know, she loves Rebecca Black, so
That's what I'm saying.
maybe.
Only if we win, we get that Rebecca Black. Joel, I'm liking my longer swing trades. Price, action, support, and resistance with book map confirming liquidity, and then book map also confirming volume helps. Wow. And holding trades longer. Yeah, bro. I see that. Same risk, or is it like, do you have more risk now doing that, or is it just the confidence that goes up? Good morning, Alex. Yes, sir.
Morning,
Feeling
Alex.
blessed.
Feeling blessed, brother.
Morning.
How about you? Fifteen close that resistance. Now we're just back in the range. W.
LeGrand, you go 1 GC or 2 GC on that? Look at that, 15-minute. Oh, 3 GC. My bad. I wasn't familiar with your game. Yeah, that's
Jeez.
clean, bro.
They ain't paying for themselves, right?
Right. Yeah, but no, combine can be a little heavier. Exactly right, bro. 100%. Hey, thank you everybody for watching. Also, hope you guys are having a blessed day, blessed time wherever you're at, wherever you are trading from. Let's get it. I closed full there because it was a 4-hour support and resistance. W, bro. Where's Georgia? Oh. Georgia's gone.
Yeah, I think he's getting some water or something.
Just bro, where'd they be at? Back home? Is he asleep? Wonder if he did Asian. Was he up for Asian? Do you know?
No clue.
Maybe nah. Maybe it'll come.
Yeah, no. I woke up for Asian, but didn't see anything, so I went back to sleep. I feel you, LeGrand. Hey, Bert, that's looking fire, bro.
Oh.
Hey, I see a little
Yummy.
something in the background too. Okay, okay. Respect, respect. And if you guys do not know, we do have a Discord that you can join. It's popping in there. We're having a great time. We're talking about sometimes. We would love to have you guys in there. We also love, YouTube. But we'd love to have you in our Discord. Come join us. All right, just a little something.
Just a little.
You know.
Some. Yeah, I've seen people use the book map, Joe.
Confidence that works.
I could understand how that boosts your confidence, yeah. The grand.
Fire, bro.
They don't come naturally to you, bro. I mean, look at you. You go out for the steaks, to the gym, and back home to trade. W the grand.
The grand is locked in.
Sleep, repeat.
Trade, workout, sleep, repeat.
What else you need?
Sounds like the life, bro. Always start out with 3, 6 micros. Do you scale in, Joe? Just keep it at that. I also trade my best on the MGC, bro.
Like the price action this morning, man. Way better than the whole
Yeah,
week so
we
far.
got some volume. Goodness, finally.
We had a sell of resistance and a buy of support playing out. And that pre-London. Be nice.
Yeah. Yeah, the grand. YOLO. Good morning, brother.
Hey, good morning, Yellow.
Morning YOLO.
Yellow. Let's get it. Let's get it.
It's possible, Legrand. Just know
Right.
that. That's all I can say. It is possible. Just gotta want it hard enough. Damn, I need to move my setup around, bro. Cause this light behind me, it ain't doing me favors.
Come on, George. Get it together.
Light shines on you.
Yeah, you had 48 hours. Right?
What's happening in 48 hours, bro?
No.
Monday?
Like we didn't stream yesterday. You had yesterday to figure it out.
Yeah, but I only just put my cam on.
True.
Camless.
You've been camless.
Wait,
No cam.
let's make it better. Boom. No.
Can't be playing with no cam, bro. All right, now the sky's getting a little bit blue.
Yep.
Yeah, that makes sense, Joel. That makes sense.
AB also has a missus. I don't. I'm just like you, Legrand. Just like you. Just, trading.
Have you guys noticed that London is pretty dead this week? Can it be Asia is moving quite a bit? Yeah, I also noticed London is not the greatest this week.
Yeah, sadly. They do interchange. London and Asia like to switch up. But we just need to wait for the heavy hitters to get back into London.
Yep.
Yeah, but that's why I said I like the price action today. It's way better than these past days we had in London. It's really slow and just chop. At least this one moves.
Yeah. Legrand, you funny. W. Hansen. The grand said now. Bro, George Verstappen, they will see it and they're gonna stay. Trust me. If they don't stay, they're not worth your time, bro. Use that as the catalyst. Just know if you take me down, bro, I don't know how many will be entering in your house. That's all I'm saying.
Super rare George Verstappen on the beach. Man. Gotta put a frame on it.
No. Of course, bro. That racing suit never comes off. Never.
I like that this 15 is coming down.
Yeah.
If we on the next 15 also come down, maybe to that support zone you drew. And then on 930 we have like a support there. Then
Yeah,
I would make
come back up.
would make up for buy.
Yeah.
Perth, where's that?
It's in Australia.
Oh, Australia. Oh yeah, Orchid, true.
W. Hansen. Yo. Awkward. You heard it from Awkward, Legrand. Gotta make the move, bro.
Good morning, Jamil.
Jamil. Good morning, bro.
Jamil.
What's Goldie doing? Oh, 31 degrees.
Hills is coming down a little bit.
Coming down a little.
Okay, how many people, how many animals tried killing you already in Australia? I feel like Australia should be none. Are you serious? Every time I
He's
see
lying. He's just an advocate of Australia.
every time I see anything about Australia, it's just like deadly animals here, deadly animals there. But
I found a spider in my shoe.
I know it's not that bad. You don't run into these animals on a daily. If you look for them, you might, yeah.
Nah, I'm just like, if there's just a random black widow chilling in the corner of my room, I'm moving.
Yeah. 100%.
That's it.
Yeah.
Kalimera, Sofia.
What about if a kangaroo attacked you? You move?
Nah, bro. That kind of sounds fun. Imagine squaring up with
It depends on how big the kangaroo is that attacking me. If he was just like, you know what I mean? But it was like a little baby one. It was like kind of cute and funny. Then I'll let it slide. I can stay.
I've seen so many videos where like kangaroos attacked the dog of a person, and then the guy came in and just slapped the kangaroo away.
It's hilarious. Baby kangaroo probably be taller than me. Bro, me too, Legrand. Don't worry. Oh man, that's too funny.
We got Orchid
Same
on
Legrand.
camera. Let's
Don't worry, bro.
And
Hey, let's
W.
go.
I really
W.
need to step up.
Hey,
That's
bro.
true, Ockard, about South Africa. The amount of people that ask me, is it really? Are there hippos and crocodiles and giraffes and lions? Are they all roaming around the street? I said, yeah, all the time. Sometimes when I used to go to school, there'd be a massive roadblock because there were hippos crossing the street. It's not true.
Right. I believe it.
Yeah, I guess people like to exaggerate stuff, and I
Yeah.
mean, people are here in Germany are scared of the wolf, bro. I've never seen a wolf in my whole life, and even if I would see one, I wouldn't be afraid, you know, because I don't know. I'm not alone in the woods, and
What are
it's
you
not
gonna
a
do?
yeah, it's not a whole pack, you know.
Yeah, bro. What are you doing in the woods,
I'm
bro?
not running
Right.
away. I don't run away if I see a random dog, you know. It's just
So dogs love you, basically.
yeah, I love dogs too.
See? So the wolf would love you, is what you're saying.
I wouldn't pet the wolf though.
No, but you gotta pet the wolf now.
Good morning, SP.
Yeah.
Good morning, brother.
Winning SP. Then John, the South African birds, though, that's another story.
The birds. Man, those hadidas,
Bro,
so obnoxious. Vertically challenged, Alice.
I mean,
Yeah, I've never heard it
I
that
don't-
way.
I think-
the
Oh,
funniest shit ever.
but for you, you're tall, bro.
Oh, that's funny.
That's
What is
Yeah, gravity did a number on me too. Don't worry, Allison.
That's too funny. Vertically challenged.
Yo, what is this guy AB doing in the chat again instead of hopping on here?
Bro,
This
myself.
guy's useless. Hello, AB.
Bye. Yeah, not get in the chat. Not get in here. Buy and sell.
Oh, Allison, I keep reading that.
It's the same.
That's so funny.
George, what are you looking for? Anything?
Yeah, I want price to come down and maybe form a new support at 0407. I would have been somewhat interested in the sales coming down if this 15 had a top wick. But the way that this happened, this 15-minute opened up and just broke these lows without forming that top wick, so it becomes invalid for me. But now I would like price to come down. It's a new 30.
Mhm.
So we might want to fill this wick, but we've already technically tapped the full target. And this 4 hour, we filled this range and tapped this zone right here at 15. And it looks good to bleed after that if we do manage to come all the way back down there. But other than that, we're trading in this range. So any support at like 407, I'll be interested to come back up. But if we just come down heavy, then yeah, sounds don't look bad to get aggressive on.
Would be crazy if we get the 4 hour to come down, break the lows, and then close bullish again on the 15 or something for 9 a.m. like on an open.
Yeah.
After it broke 4 hour lows and pulls back again.
Yeah.
We then get up and break the 4 hour highs. That sets up for a runner.
Yeah, then it should be good to fill the whole range. Should blast through these resistances too. That's it. We got the juice for London.
Sometimes we had them before last year.
getting back
Yeah,
today.
yeah. I'm ready to
That's
buy
it.
running
Yeah.
120 pips. Maybe come show us, bro. Come on.
Go.
Come give us FOMO.
920 pips. What? Let me see it. Let me see it.
How long does it take you guys past combines? It depends. It depends, bro.
Yeah.
Like either it's 2 days or a week. I started these combines this week, and then yesterday I took a loss on the Nasdaq. Yeah, and I was one good trade away from passing, but yeah, should be a couple days. A couple days to determine what's kind of happening with the accounts. You know, either they're gone or they're passed.
Yep. Once I pass mine. In that week, basically, on average.
Yeah, it should be in that week.
Yeah.
I don't really want to take new combines into a new week.
It's like on a Thursday or Friday, okay. But yeah, I know what you mean. Locked out of 2 of them for the day now, so just got another one. Hey, W.
W.
Way to do it though. Past the Monday, I would say. Yes, sir. That is the plan.
W. Go back up. Go back up. Yeah. I had a feeling we might want to fill this 30 week.
Mm-hmm.
Wished came down a little bit more.
Yeah.
Now we close above probably. Let's see, 8 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, look, that was my experience too, Awkward, with live accounts. I just couldn't stop trading. I couldn't stop. I'd take so many trades.
I think also we all came from Forex, right? So
Yeah.
I feel like we took more trades in Forex.
Bro, when I was starting to trade, I think I had like 50 trades a day, and that was average.
That's wild.
I didn't even know what I was really doing. Like I didn't have a strategy. I was just jumping between pairs and looked at.
Just winging it.
I was just hunting volume. If I saw a pair starting to move, I just jumped in.
Did it work?
I would say it was like a 50-50, but my risk management definitely wasn't on point, so I just lost all my money.
Yeah.
That's funny.
That's
I
why
used to do the same, bro.
Yeah, and that's why I always would recommend, if you're really brand new to trading or like new to trading, don't blow all your money on your ego telling you that you are smarter than everybody else and you will just, learn it way quicker and you just figure a way out and stuff, it won't work that way. Just rather spend that money on some good education. And yeah.
And I feel like when you come into it, everybody thinks that, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, at least in my opinion, like everyone has that initial thing, like, oh yeah, I can just
See, I
easily, yeah.
I got lucky at the beginning. I think I put like 5K in my live account and then I almost doubled it in 2 days. So
Jeez, bro.
I was feeling, yeah,
That's not what happened.
I was feeling like, damn, I'm the best. I got this already. This is easy. And then of course on the third or fourth day, basically everything I made was gone and even more. From there
Right.
on, I was scared to jump into trades and stuff. All the emotions kicked in. I wanted to make my money back that I just lost, and from there I just kept losing, until it was all
Right.
gone.
Crazy. But yeah, bro.
Sounds about right, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
But lesson learned, bro. That's what
Definitely.
people also don't understand. That's why the stories that we share and that you just told, for example, bro, are important, especially for people who are new or maybe interested in trading or think they saw it one time and won one trade and now it's like, all right, it's over. Like, I got it, because we all know, like, bro, in trading you can be humbled very fast, bro.
Yeah.
Very, very fast. Bro.
I was crying that night. I was
Yeah, bro.
crying. I
Believe
didn't even, I couldn't even comprehend what I have done. And then,
Yeah.
Yeah.
it takes,
Yeah.
you gotta be a little bit crazy to just, get back to the charts and keep loading up money,
Right.
keep loading up, and just, keep blowing accounts for a couple of years until you finally get some return. But I feel like everybody's story is like this, right? There's so much struggle until you, I don't know, finally see the light.
Yeah. Till you break through, bro. Someone struggle until you break through.
But until you know, until you see the light, you just, and you can't see it. You just gotta believe that it's there. Otherwise, you won't make it.
Preach, bro.
Yeah.
Preach.
True.
Big W.
W. Classic trader
Yo,
in
classic.
the building.
Hey, classic trader X.
What's up, brother?
What's up, gang? Yo. How you doing? What you doing? How you living? Message retract. What?
Jeez, Robert.
No, bro. We almost did one time, and then had to go cut wood. Remember that,
What again?
We were gonna ask if we met in real life. That, and I was like, we almost did
yeah.
one with the hamburger.
Damn, yeah, I had to cut. Yeah.
But it's all good. We will soon. Planning something with AB.
Yeah.
Just wait on it. I mean, something else, since Little Something is already.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, for sure. Let's meet up in spring or summer. I can drive down 100%, bro. We'll for sure do a meetup in the spring or summer. Our first official one. Something light, something like little something, you know what I mean? Just a little something. We gotta coordinate it with George.
What's happening?
We're having a meetup at
I'm
some
lost.
time in the spring or summer. And Legrand is coming, and anyone else who wants to come.
Where we meeting?
That's also a great question.
Aka said Greece.
Hey.
Bali? Yeah, I want to go to Bali.
Are we going all out? Hey, Magnifico.
Magnifico. Come on.
Let's go. Calimera.
Wild flags.
Hey, Dominic. Dom, good morning, brother. Let's go.
Good morning, my bro. Dominic.
Come to Thailand. Hey, I'm always down to go to Thailand. I've never been, but I hear great things.
Same. And some weird things.
Yeah, but weird things everywhere, bro. Don't have to go to that.
Yeah,
Go to the beautiful part.
Thailand's beautiful, man. Thailand's beautiful.
So far.
Hey, Granny, if you get another trade like you just had this morning, and little something, gonna be just fine for that Bali fight. Just wait on it.
Look at that. Holy. Gave that previous
back
15 a top wick and now coming down.
Yeah. Yeah. Would be nice if we come all the way back down. So at that moment, we're getting close to that 4-hour flip.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta wait for another close here to get some sort of confirmation. Need that word of the day, Aaron? Give it to him.
You needed the word of the day. I got you, my brother. Sorry, I was looking at the charts. My bad, my bad. Ain't nothing more important. Today we got, Zephaniah 3:17. The Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In his love he will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. Beautiful. Again, Zephaniah 3:17. The Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In his love he will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. Amen. I had to say it twice, it was so
Amen.
good.
Yeah, amen.
Hey, thank you, Dominic. Thank you for the reminder, brother.
Yes, sir. 315 guys, not feeling 100. Okay, AB. You go back to sleep.
KB. I'll be on 15, not feeling 100. Amen, brother.
Yeah, the grand, that's what I was saying, bro. If this thing had a top wick, it would have been nice. Even if we kept this low right here, and then this candle opened up and made this top wick, then sell stops would have been valid. But it just opened up and drove down.
Bogdan beat. Nice
Bogdan.
Serbia.
Yes, sir. CG.
Speaking of BTC, what is crypto doing?
Don't even ask.
For real.
I shouldn't ask.
I'm not gonna with that. I didn't like the tone of your voice with that.
It's alright.
Sounds like okay. I'm
a-
looking.
I think
Ethereum's
altcoins
still
took,
doing okay.
yeah, like low market cap altcoins took a hit, but Ethereum.
Ethereum holding. I'm trying to.
You got ETH versus Euro.
Yeah. Same thing. I just have this one marked up. Oh, I'll get this one marked up too. Where we closing full, bro?
$10K target.
There's no stop loss. No stop loss. 10K. Oh, bottom trend line. This is where price headed.
Nah, it's not. That would be sad if you just get that.
Yeah.
This is where we should break out from. Once we
Yeah.
get- if we ever got movement again.
see. Hopefully we're not in the bearish dump.
Well,
Hopefully
last
it's
year,
just a bullish pump.
every bullish move just got obliterated by tariffs, wars, or some other stupid stuff they started.
Damn. Yeah, there was a lot going on in 2025.
It's super.
For people that had leverage positions, those there were some crazy liquidations overnight.
Yeah.
2025 was crazy. Yeah, it was tough for crypto people.
Yeah, it didn't pop. I mean, it popped, I guess, at one point, but
Yeah, and then we kind of got the retest and didn't bounce back off what
Yeah.
everybody was expecting. So
true.
I think a lot of people burned their money there.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
Kinda sad. That's why I would recommend, if you buy crypto, I would only buy spot. So don't go into leverage positions. Plan on holding them during a longer period of time, because the market is still being able to get manipulated a lot. Like we saw some wicks getting, some high market cap coins getting liquidated like 80% of their worth in just 15 minutes overnight, and then juicing back up all the way just to trigger all those stop losses. So, and that's where all those people lost their money. If you just would have bought spot without a leverage, they cannot stop your position, because you own the coin, you own these coins. So I would always recommend buying spot on the long term. You go in with a leverage position, just kinda greedy. You're not really knowing what you're doing, haven't sample sized it and everything.
Okay, Joel. Joel, you do a little crypto leverage trading?
As crypto prop firms,
I just put all my leverage in gold.
I use Coinbase main.
Yeah, I'm also with Coinbase. You know, got me on that.
Orchid, I'm from Germany. Sadly, we're like a 5-hour drive away, so it's not like we can hang out in the evening. But yeah, we definitely gonna meet up soon.
Yes, sir. I like driving, so
Yeah.
5
No
hours
problem.
though. Damn.
This year should be.
I'm not sure, bro.
This year it should be way easier for us, because last year we were still kind of building everyone was still like building themselves up in trading.
True.
And especially here in Germany, you have to hand in a lot of paper stuff to even start your own business, and it took a lot of time to get everything sorted out and stuff. But I think this year will be way more time for everything else, for the fun stuff.
Definitely, bro. Little something. Do a little fun.
I still with 6 fees twice. Damn. You had to learn your lesson twice, bro? You couldn't just learn it once? Come on, Joe. Just hold it. Yeah. Yeah, you.
Just
Yeah,
hold.
we do a little some.
Do a little hold.
Yeah, those massive runners are usually from
AB.
AB's like lower time frame structure. Makes it easy to hold when you're looking at this 1 minute structure.
I saw AB this year already catch 1,000 pips.
Yeah, bro, that was wild.
I think he went on MGC. He went in, I don't know, like 10 MGC, and then he closed like 8 at his main target and at 2 run, and then he closed like 2 at like another 1 MGC at like 300 or something, and the other one
Right.
he just said he just gonna let it rock, and it
Just hold it all day. Yeah.
and that boy ran for 1,000 pips, and like on the dot 1,000 pips.
It's crazy. Literally reverse
Yeah.
after it hit 1,000. It was actually almost like I couldn't believe it if I didn't see it.
Yeah,
One
same,
MGC
bro.
that made $1,000. That's crazy.
That's
Yeah,
insane. It's insane.
that was wild.
Hey,
Let him
W,
cook. Let him
Joe.
cook. That's not his last 1,000 pipper. I know that for sure.
Nah, this was just the beginning of
That was a warm up.
2026.
I'm sure he took that personally. He's like, all right, 1,000. What about 5,000?
W for not stopping, Joel. Some people losing 6 figures, they definitely would have quit. W, bro.
W, bro.
So they change how you boys are trading? I still trade the same, more or less. Pretty much the same. But there are some times where AB would run up an analysis and our analysis meet and they agree on each other. And then I would instead of taking my entry, I'd take his entry, but then I'd keep my stop loss, my take profit the same.
And the bias, right? I mean, if we are looking for buys on the 15 or 30 minute, and then Aaron and AB are looking for buys on the 1 and 5 minute, and they get a way better nice entry confirmation on the lower time frame. Yeah, I like to get in with them too on a
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And also, like, I mean, they don't do this, but I will also, like, test out other things, like an orb or something else, like on one account or something like that. Just a completely different strategy that has nothing to do with anything, but that I'm just doing, So it's trading, bro. Like, it's not, doesn't have to be one way, Just like you can
Ah,
do
bro,
both
you're
math,
gambling.
you can do what?
You're gambling.
Oh, yeah, well, sometimes. Well, when it's news trading, for sure. No, I'm just kidding. But there's many, strategies out there that you can do, and it doesn't really matter what you choose to do to get your money. Just make sure that you know what you're doing and trade.
Yeah.
And with
Yeah.
that, welcome AB. Let's go.
Yo, good morning, boys.
Good morning,
Yes,
bro.
sir. Good morning, G.
Good morning,
Everybody
AB.
looking so sharp, especially Janosch. Damn, bro, you look
Thanks,
fine
bro.
today.
I know.
Bro came in here roasting people, bro. What's Gucci, brother? You got anything? You looking for
Yo,
anything?
yeah, yesterday was a bit tiring day. I did deadlift after quite a while, and
Mm.
I was so exhausted. I just wanted to sleep in a bit extra today. Yeah,
It loves W, bro.
Do you, boo? Do you?
W. And yeah,
AB
anyways, I
said
just
now I can make myself a coffee.
Right? Me
Thanks,
too, bro.
AB.
Yeah,
Appreciate you. Appreciate you,
Right.
brother.
I'll make myself one too.
always,
Give me a
always.
second. I just want to
Why
make the
is
coffee quick.
AB picking on the introverts?
Yo.
Don't worry, he's coming to you, Dan. He's gonna ask you a
Right.
very serious question soon, bro.
Exactly.
Just give us some time. He's gonna pick at your brain.
You're next,
Give me
bro.
a second.
I mean, I've just woken up, guys. Give me a bit.
That's hilarious.
Why is AB picking up introverts? Ew. Nah, come on. YOLO, what up? Good morning. Benji, what up, brother? Dominic in
Good
the
morning,
chat.
Kenji.
Crowd crackers football. Yo, crowd crackers football. Messi or Ronaldo? Benji, let's have a great day. LSS. We grand, brother.
Alright, Legrand, see you in 30.
Hey, W, bro.
Alright, we grand. What? Am I the official coffee break or something? Allison also going for a tea break.
Yeah, we got London open, but as we can see, there's nothing. We just closed inside this range we just created. So yeah, gotta wait for another 15 at least. Maybe did you trade some Asia? I missed it. What
No,
you said.
bro.
Okay.
Nah. I was dead. Yeah, but yesterday was a good day in terms of trading.
Hmm.
Personally, the price read was on point. Especially those sells, bro. Holy.
Yeah, later in the day, right? I saw
Yeah.
them.
Okay, it's going to grab a beer.
I was sitting here 9 a.m. in the morning, awkward, already enjoying his afternoon.
Seriously.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Australia day is like almost, it's almost evening.
I have nothing. This price is just chopping. There's nothing.
9 a.m. Oh, London. Yeah, I don't know. Pre-London seems to be better than London.
Yeah, true for sure, bro.
I mean, look at those clean moves we had, and now London Open just beginning to chop.
I mean, it's just consolidating in a 200 pip range since the last 8 hours. Okay. So. Oh no, this was the open, right? Should we do a top down?
You wanna do one?
Yeah, I just got onto the charts. Let's see if I have something here. Just a second, I'll share my screen. All right. Daily again bouncing off from this level. I think it holds this level. Yeah. The previous daily closed no top wick. Okay. Okay, so this is the daily resistance. 4 hour again. That's the same zone.
Same range.
Yeah. Yeah, same zone, same range. Maybe we can move it down to here. Then 1 hour. I mean, it's too chopped, bro. Too chopped.
We need some volume to, get in one direction.
See, I can't even mark structure on this. There's nothing. There's this low, this high. That's it.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Um. Again, according to the market structure, I can't really take any trade before we get like closures up or below. Um, that's on the 15. There's just only one. This level for sells, this for buys. That's it. There's nothing else. That's it. 5 minute.
for real, YOLO. What's going on with London Open?
Right, low. No closure above, no closure below. So let's leave this structure. Let's do. Two-handed retracement, confirmed low, closure above, lowest point.
Yo.
Oh.
So nothing for London Open.
Yeah, nothing.
Right, so
Volume just left the room. London opened.
Okay. 5 minutes, we might have something here.
here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let me see.
Mm-hmm. Um. Okay, let me check out the 1 minute.
Welcome, JR Futures.
Hey,
How you doing?
hey,
Come on,
Jared.
is your futures?
It's good, brother. Good to see you, bro.
Guys, this market is chopped so bad. There's
Yeah,
I know, right?
actually nothing logical for me to take. Nothing. The only thing that's forming is like a buy on the 5 minute. But do I want to trust the 5 minute when the 1 to 1 and 4 hour and 15 everything is chopped? However, yeah. Okay, let's watch this zone. Why do I want to watch it? Because there's a potential setup. This setup, it's the AB 5K play. Let's see. A trade would be something like this. I don't want to risk more on this if I do end up taking it. It would be something like this. The main play for this is whenever there's a consolidation like this, and then price breaks out and starts closing above whatever the previous high was before the move came down. Usually, the best setup is to put like a buy limit here. Um, Buy limit right at the wick from where it broke out. And this one is usually a quick trade. It comes in, goes up. So this is something that I'm looking towards. However, I'm not at all interested in taking any kind of trades in what's happening in the markets. Um, and due to that, I would rather take a sell from this resistance and buy from this support. Could be a range day today. Could be a day where I just play the ranges and take it from up to down, down to up.
I mean, it's
That's it.
Friday.
That's it.
We might get a breakout later on the day.
Yeah, so that's why I would
Yeah.
definitely try a buy from the support or a sell from resistance. And if it happens to align, with some higher time, a high volume time, there could be a case where we get a few runners because it has been consolidating for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days.
Yeah, that daily structure is keeping us at bay, bro.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, we don't want to break all-time highs, but we don't want to drop. Making it difficult. But these 15-minute buys earlier, before the analysis was
I know. I should
Yeah.
have held. Thought it would
yeah,
be
those buys
disrespectful.
were golden.
Then one also to like be too rushed, But Legrand got it, so W.
Yeah, that will do a little
We talked
grind.
about it also, so W analysis.
Yeah.
Joel, all right, brother. Have a good morning
Peace,
sleep.
brother. Yes, sir. OH.
Alright, brother.
Sleep well.
Bye
Rest
bye.
well.
Good night.
Brothers in Ohio. I know they sleeping over there.
Anyways, people in the chat, what's up? How you doing? So dead.
Yeah.
What's up with you guys, boys? Took anything?
Yeah, just chilling, bro. Just chilling. You know, it's Friday. I ain't about to do something crazy on a Friday. Price action was pretty tough this week. I'm already looking at Monday, bro. I'm already looking at Monday.
Damn.
My
But
boy
if the
on
move
Monday.
comes, I'm taking it. I'm taking it. I want my I've been focusing on my combines too much, so I wanna give my ex face some love.
Yeah, true.
On a Friday? Some love on a Friday? Okay.
Bro, you know,
I'm
let
just
my
teasing
ex
you,
fair
bro.
have a good Friday too,
I'm
you know?
teasing
Yeah.
you. Hey,
Can't just be me.
the way you made that sound, you're right.
Oh,
George,
man.
let me throw a random question to you. What is your opinion on spies?
Spies
On
or
s-
spice?
Yeah.
On Spice?
Spy as in like who will infiltrate like
Oh, a
other
spy?
areas and then pass on
Oh,
it.
now I get it.
Now I get it.
I
I already know there's one spy. I know
Execution. Public execution.
Yo, we on YouTube.
Oh,
Yo,
I meant
publicly executing on
in-game.
the setup that we see on the charts for
we
buy.
always talk
Hey, good save.
exactly. We will publicly execute the trade.
Yo.
Um,
Okay. W's in the chat for
W.
Saved.
executing on the edge.
Yeah.
Asking about salt. Yo, wait a bit. Wait a
Yeah,
minute.
we thought you
How
talking
are
Alex,
about.
I thought the same thing, bro.
We thought you're talking about
I thought the same
spices,
thing.
like
yeah, I mean, but salt
chili.
isn't a spice. Or salt is a spice.
Salt is a spice.
It's a spice.
Holy.
The most basic one, I would say, but it is.
No, salt is not a
That's
spice.
What?
It's a mineral. Bro, sodium chloride.
No.
NaCl. Come on. Alex. Mm-mm-mm.
Why do you
Uh-uh.
why in a grocery store? Why you find salt at the spices then? Tell me.
Because, bro, otherwise you'll get salty, right? That it's not in the spice.
Hey, I see what you did there.
Makes sense though. My price guide to the left has disappeared again. How do I get it back? Price guide
Look,
to the
look, look.
left.
Wait.
Price goes left.
On top step.
My practice is a bit again.
Stop
to the
step, just
right.
Reset. Just
Okay, if you're
Reset.
on top
Yeah.
step, yeah, reset.
Reset your layout, and then you get all
Uh,
the
Top right.
Yeah, top right it says. Then you get all the windows back, and you can choose which one to keep.
Yep.
Yep.
Bro, I need to have some music on.
Let us know if you come right, Augur. Top right is that little rotating arrow thing. It says reset layout. Music, bro. Music sounds great.
Yeah, Dominic, condiment.
Salt's not a condiment.
I'm pretty sure it is.
I'm pretty sure.
Pretty
Condiment's
sure.
like ketchup and mustard and
And salt and pepper.
salt and pepper.
Exactly, Allison. Let's just end that debate with season. Hey yo, where's the football? Crowd crackers football, bro. Messi or Ronaldo? Did you?
Bro, you better get this right. Also.
I think he said, haha, of course, Ibra. Ah, bro, come on.
Mm.
On the bright side, the movie Salt is about a spy. I mean, bro,
Damn.
Is that the movie with
Let
Angelina
go.
Jolie?
Yeah, yeah,
Moran.
Yeah.
it is.
Bro, that comment is the comment of the day. W's in the chat. You better be here all the time now. See, you are a true supporter.
Hey. The truth report.
Hey yo, SP Trade 73, brother, what's up? How are you? Alex, the account that you won, SP Trades got it. I don't know if you were there yesterday.
So fun.
For context, he gave it away to the youngest person on stream.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm not. That was W's.
We got Orchid back.
We
Let's
got
go.
Orchid.
Cheers.
Okay.
Hey. Too early for me to be drinking a beer, but yeah, I have
It's
some
gotta be
water.
it, bro. Man, that looks good.
W.
I got a coffee, bro.
It's a German one too, right?
Nah, that's
It's
Heineken.
Heineken Silver. Heineken.
Bro. Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry, George. I'll pronounce it correctly. Heineken.
What did you say?
Rewind the stream on YouTube, bro. Rocket, first beer or second? And usually, what's your like good stop loss on beer? Like, how many beers SL do you go for? George, what about you? What's your usual SL on a beer?
I stop it after 2, bro. I don't drink.
Ah, lightweight. Dumb dude in the chat, bro. Okay, so just for context, Rocket said
Love that.
he doesn't count drinks or food.
Only
It's
pips.
crazy.
Only
Only
pips.
Love it.
Only pips.
I'm all for that.
wealth of evening. By the way, good morning,
Right.
everybody.
Right.
Wealth of
Shout out to everybody
evening.
here
Oh.
on YouTube and in Discord. Hope you guys all have a blessed day. Thank you for showing us love. Hit the like button if you want to. Regardless, have a blessed day, and we love all you. All right, sorry. AB, continue.
Yeah. No, I was just saying good morning to everybody. You guys, the price has dropped. Otherwise, yeah, we would have been like up to 300 pips and gone out
Calling
for
it.
the day
Yeah.
already.
Yeah.
London opened and volume left.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro. Oh, and I
Those-
know
Free.
that if we were to see this again, if we saw this like on Tuesday, this 50-minute support, it would have gone nowhere. That's why I was really hesitant on these
Yeah,
support
yeah.
buys, yeah. They're really good.
And since we had that move, I was expecting this London to be better. Okay.
Yeah, but it was worse.
Honestly.
Hey, good morning, Michelle and Dodsky.
Yeah, bro. Good morning,
How you
bro. Welcome. Bro,
Yes, sir.
where are the rest of the boys? Indian G's.
Good morning, Wealth Awakening and Milog. Good morning. Hey, AJ's here too.
Hey,
Morning,
big
AJ.
dog.
G is here as well. W.
Hey, let's go.
Danji, Vishal. What's good morning in Hindi, bro?
N?
In Hindi.
In Hindi, it's Shubh Prabhat, which means
Suprabhat.
Super bot.
Shubh Prabhat. Shubh means good. Prabhat means morning. Shubh basically means how do I say it? Something which is good, the context is basically good and blessed, like we say, right? Have a blessed morning. It's like that.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Super bot.
Suprabhat.
I got Calimera, super bot. Good morning. Good morning. What else am I missing?
Goedemorgen. Suprabhat.
Super.
Yeah,
Spanish
you
is
gotta roll
also
your tongue when you're saying that.
Morning, brother.
Straight next doors.
Hey yo,
Suprabhat.
Suprabhat, trader next door, bro.
AB 2.0.
Maybe 2.0. Maybe 2.0.
AB 2.0.
Damn, what an honor, bro. Crazy.
Oh. It's gonna be 3.0, so that's the next question.
I think it will be me only. I mean, I'm in my third year of trading. Yeah.
I think it'll be me.
But anyways, guys, does anybody have any questions or any topics or anything? Because price is chopped, like chopped.
Thanks, SP
SP
Trade.
trade, bye
ISP,
bye,
brother. Have a blessed day, G.
Peace.
Hey, peace, brother. Have a blessed day. Yes, sir.
Enjoy the weekend.
Yeah, man. What we gonna do?
Goldie's trying to move. Goldie is trying to move.
Is it though?
It's trying. That is it is.
True,
It is
true,
trying.
true.
Arkad, we have the music on YouTube, but I can post you the mix that's playing.
Oh, Remco Wall Ravens 5700. You guys all trade full time? I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
That's all I do.
Yeah.
we do, right?
Yeah, I think.
Do we? Right?
Luz.
I mean, I have other side hustles, but yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I trade full time, but I have a consulting job as well. Um, but that's also a self-employment venture, so it's not like somebody's controlling my time and all. But yeah, these are the two things that I do. But I'm pretty soon, like by the end of this year, I'll leave that job and make bigger moves in trading. This is like trading is the main thing for me.
Bigger moves in trading, talking like you didn't make big moves yet.
This guy.
I'm becoming your business.
This guy has 14K months. Like, yeah, nah, you know, thinking of taking this a little bit more seriously, you know? Like, okay, bro.
Yeah.
Okay.
But Lewis,
I don't know if I'm full time. I don't know.
Lewis is about to be full time now too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I only have trading and crypto. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right. We have a question. What strategy is traded here? I'm sure you've covered that question, but it's my first time on the stream. I always join the YouTube TTE stream during NY session. Who wants to take it up? Jordan, that's a question for you.
strategy, yes, our strategies here vary. We like to really adapt to these markets. So AB and Aaron and Lewis, they trade lower time frames, and Shana trade higher time frames. And the reason we trade together is because we like to pass through our ideas. It really sharpens our analysis and read on the price. But we do trade different strategies. We cover lower time frames all the way to the higher time frames. But yeah, we also want to prove that they can coexist. Like yesterday, we took 930 buys. AB didn't like the buy, so he waited for his sell zone to get hit, which was my TP. And then right after my TP was hit, or like my partials range, AB was looking for sells. The buys and the sells played out. So we don't necessarily trade a specific strategy.
All while
We just
Lewis was looking at NQ. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah, so there's no specific strategy. We technically are just trading price action, but we cover from the 1 minute to the daily.
Say it again.
Yeah,
Say it again.
That's true.
Cover from the 1 minute to the day.
You can consider Lil Sum as a group, just try to visualize this like 5 to 6 really good friends. They're out on a drive, but everybody has their own different vehicle. Maybe few of the people have Porsches. I would be rocking up in an SUV, but we are still going in the same direction, in the same journey. Of course, like I'll bring like some Lamborghini Urus because otherwise other SUVs won't be able to catch up. Um, so yeah, you can consider it like that.
Also, we don't want like to be like put in a box. You know what I mean? Like we want to, not be, contained. It's trading. We want to trade how the markets present themselves, and sometimes that takes different ideas and views on the market, and that's what we want to try to provide, and that's what we do provide actually, and that helps all of us trade better.
Yep. True, true, true.
All strategies kind of go hand in hand
Yep.
because they are all based on price action.
So,
Yeah.
Whatever time frame makes you read the price better, and then accordingly you have to take a trade. For example, on the 1 minute, I would be seeing something. So, of course, like if I'm trading the lower time frames, I get the ability to execute at the extremities of the ranges, um, which usually doesn't really happen on the 15, 30, and 1 hour time frames. But when that forms, of course, it does happen. But it happens most of the times on the lower time frames. And yeah, I just like to see market from range to range, how it is moving. For example, if this is a range and price is consolidating in this range, uh, sorry, consolidating in this range, my plan of action is pretty simple, that I would like to buy from these regions and I would like to sell from these regions. That's the basic foundation. And then comes the strategy and the price action. On the lower time frames, the strategy and price action is mainly for executing. For example, let's say this red zone. This is a zone based off of the 5 minute, and this is a zone for execution. Doesn't mean that there would be a sell limit, but this is a zone for execution, and 1 minute would be like the entries criteria. However, me actually taking this trade or buys from here would totally depend on how the 30 and 1 hour and 4 hour are doing in context to the overall market structure, and how did it reach up to this level. Did it One example could be, let's say this is a 15 zone, next candle closes here, closes bullish here without a top wick, and let's say the next candle just opens up, creates a bit of bottom wick, but starts moving up randomly. In such cases, and this is a 15-minute candle I'm talking about, if such thing is happening, I'll jump down to the lower time frame and look for some kind of an entry. Why? Because this 15 closed inside this range, inside the top of this range, and then we have another major resistance. And again, just like yesterday, I don't think we have a catalyst to move price outside of this zone and then continue going up. I don't see anything geopolitically that's happening, or anything that gives me a good sense of direction that yeah, Goldie is ready for a run again. Also, a few more things that go into this confluence is what's happening on the daily time frame. We see we broke out of this previous high, and now price is consolidating. So when price is consolidating, it's just two things that are happening: that it's grabbing more liquidity, but it's also deciding, does it really want to stay above 4600, which is like a round psychological number, or does it want to now come back down again and then grab more liquidity and then go up? So that's why I totally feel like we might just be consolidating here, because of course there's not a catalyst in the market that is ready right now to take Goldie to the next level. But I think market would consolidate here. Overall, we are still very bullish when it comes to geopolitics. But other than that, geopolitics and the fundamentals, how the news is and the data has been coming out. But still, it's not enough for a breakout. So it might just consolidate for a few days, maybe a week, in the same range, and then move up. One thing that could come into that is maybe with all the Fed moves that are happening, it could be that the market is waiting for this FOMC at the end of January, and then we start ripping from um, February, March, April. Usually, March and April tends to be, the start of another good season for higher time frame trading. Higher time frame as it like 15, 30, and 1 hour. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. How did you guys come to find your strategies? We all were part of TDE. We learned everything about price action, candles, how they form, how they operate. After that, me and Aaron, we were also looking into the lower time frames, trying to come up with our own trading playbook, kind of. Yo, Z Gamer, what
Big
up?
gamer, hey, let's go.
Holy.
Z
Hey,
game.
W, bro.
W
Yeah,
gamer.
so crazy, bro. Z Gamer
Yeah,
drops a W. I forget everything that I was
Alright,
talking about.
alright.
Damn,
But
he's an
yeah,
OG.
yeah. How'd you guys
Yeah.
come to find your strategies? I mean, like anybody too. Like you start trading, and you try to look for, things that people know in trading. And obviously, there's a lot of streamers before us, for example, that we learn from, that we watch, like Roger Banks, Don, like all the price action traders, basically. And yeah, it's no secret. We found each other, NTTE, all of us, and also learned things in there, and since then kept growing, and now we've formed our own group and continue to apply everything that we've learned, and with finding our strategies, those were developed and tested over time. For example, I know like last year we realized that like pre NY was like a terrible session, and we had to stop basically trading in that session. Why? That's because of our data, and we had to go back and look at those and be like, okay, we should probably drop this session. And with doing those and trying to change our strategy, we were able to come up with a profitable strategy for ourselves and the fingerprint, and that's what we talk about. And then from that point, basically, we're just trying to get a little something. So
W.
hope that answers your question.
And that's why it's also so important to journal your trades, so you have the data to see, okay, this session is not performing well, or this setup is not performing well, and then either lower the risk or just skip on those.
Is the Discord student class open to everyone or private? It's the student classroom is private, but the Discord is open to everybody. Jeff. Yes, sir. George, what you seeing over there?
Yeah, bro. Don't spying on me.
I know.
Kidding. If we actually get a closure below this 6.9, I might be interested to be short in gold.
About to say you look too into it over there.
Let me
Yeah.
open your chart. I got you.
I think I spent like $300 by accident.
Oops. On what?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
For mine.
Oh,
Just now?
I mean, last night.
did you
Because I
renew
was
them?
checking my trader weight. I just got a notification that your subscription has been renewed, and these were the combines I got last month just to test out a few things. Of course, I blew them, and now I have 3 combines.
Hey, W, bro.
I didn't want to make
That's-
that purchase, bro. But
It's been
Yeah, you
done.
need to cancel the reoccurring.
Right.
yeah, you know
Once you
what?
preach, first thing you do
Because
is just go
I
ahead
have
and cancel
combines
it.
now. I can be a degen.
What's the goal with little sum? I'd say just grow and make everybody get to the winning side, because it's possible. We We all got there last year, and yeah, through we learn through streams, through live streams. And we just wanna help other people too.
Yeah, and we also want to be more relatable to the trader, because at the end of the day, no one's actually a robot except for the bots that trade. We understand that there are multiple strategies in this game, and there is no correct strategy. So we don't want you guys to feel confined or condemned for trying something new. We also want to prove that they can coexist and they can work together.
Yeah.
Preach.
Just build a
Yeah,
community.
come on, Goldie.
Like,
Yeah.
what's the goal with Lil Sum Sum? That's a beautiful answer, guys. But my answer is that we build a community that actually helps, really tries to help people, like, really just get better in all aspects of their life, whether that's in their trading goals, their life goals, everything. We just want to be there to help everybody become the best versions of themselves on and off the charts. Sums it up.
My personal goal is just to be able to talk about different trading strategies. That's it. Want a community where everybody can coexist, learn from each other, because that is what led me to success. Kinda. Because we, all of us, we were trading together privately um, on a different server, and then all of us are trading different strategies, and we figured out that okay, if we are at least open to listening to the other strategy or how the other person trades without ridiculing that person just because he has a different strategy or maybe trades some FVG, um, without ridiculing it, if you just open up and listen to it, maybe you can read price a bit better, slightly better, not like 10,000 times better, but slightly better. You keep doing that day in, day out, day in, day out. Now, the marginal gains have made a big enough margin for you to leverage that margin to make now some real gains. Damn, that was a nice line. But yeah, that's like my goal. That is how I did it with the boys. We all trade different, but yeah,
Uh,
same but different.
like really, when I first I say when I first came to Lil Sum Sum because I was the last member of Lil Sum Sum, which I honor that. But when I first came to Lil Sum Sum, I tell the story, but Amy wouldn't even tell me his strategy, like I literally, and I didn't really explain mine to him either because we knew that we had similar strategies. But we like kind of like earned it, basically earned the right to share with each other. And once we did, we're like and then you learn so much more. You see, like it's like binoculars into other parts. It's crazy, man. And yeah, then you just get better and get more better entries, better plays, better everything, and you keep growing from there. And then you talk to George and Enosh, and then they're on the higher time frames, giving out the perfect data, the perfect analysis, the perfect somewhere, and then it matches with our stuff, which is like kind of like too, you know what I mean? Then it's it's game over. Feel confident, take the trade, get money, everybody's happy. All right, sorry.
Yeah. Also, why I didn't really want to share my strategy at
Just
that
one
point
one
was
second, one second,
yeah. Go
Amy,
go go
one
go on
second.
go on.
If this 15 does close below the support, I'll be interested in sounds. But we have to close below with the wick, and then the next 15 needs to open up and create a top wick. Yeah. That's it. So now wait 20 odd seconds. I mean, everything is kind of tap support. 4 hours not created a very good top wick. We retapped the zone here. 1 hour did tap the full target, same as the 30. 30 is also struggling in the zone. 15-minute may form a new resistance and close below. Looks pretty decent. That's I mean, is that a low? Do we? Yeah, that's not too bad. That's not
A
too bad.
little bit.
Even come up and make a steep high. I will be interested in these sounds. Tap in like 8.8. I'll be happy with these stops. But we need to form that high. If we just go, that's okay. It is what it is. It's a Friday.
Also better if we do a little fake out, come back up, and then bleed again too anyway, so.
W.
Yeah, that won't make it cool.
Yeah, that's not good enough for me.
Can't trust
Chalda,
this.
what up?
Allah.
Sub chabra.
Holy.
Hori.
That 15 looks good to come test out the support at 99.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
W.
Yeah, we would need a steep top wick on that 15 because the 30 is still open. So, you know, if we now get a steep top wick and then come all the way back down, break the 30 lows, that would make up for a good trade. But right now, there's no stop to put really, except the previous highs. Then
Yeah.
is it really worth it?
Trade's not even worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit too much risk on it.
Just letting you know, boys. I'm looking for a buy. I have a buy limit at 603.1. This is a combine. I'm gonna be risking 500 on this. So stops are at 98.1. It could be a case where it stops me out and then moves up, but I like this one. So if you guys get into your sales and take full TPs, I'll be in a bit of a drawdown and go up from there.
For now, we will
Or
need a top wick
it's a-
first, so
Let's see if it comes
Yeah.
down.
Yeah.
Hallo, Kaffee und Milch bitte, danke. Lala learning German now.
Hey,
Hello.
that's like the level 2 of Duolingo, you know?
Right.
When you go to the coffee shop and order. Hallo, Chavla, großer oder klein Kaffee?
Yalla, aber ich musste Schokolade.
Heiße Schokolade?
Ja. Emma.
Heiße
Immer heiß,
Schokolade
immer
mit
heiß, Chavla.
Amaretto.
So I was like, alright.
Not
Yeah,
bad,
just started
not
learning
bad.
it. W, Chavla, W.
Gestern, brother.
But don't learn German, bro. Don't come here. Unless you have like a good amount of money to pay towards taxes. How like
Give
Oh,
up
no
that
comment.
42%.
That's funny.
Burrito. Maybe how much?
This 15's crazy volume.
Oh yeah, bro.
How many lot size? Sorry.
I'm going 10
500.
MGC, risking 50 pips, $500. That's it.
W.
And this is just like one combine I'm going for, but I like this trade. I like the market, how it's setting up for this trade. Um, the worst possible case here is I get stopped out
All right.
on a combine.
So be
That's
it.
it.
And if you guys have a combine, it's like not having a combine basically. When the AB says he's taking this trade on a combine.
Whenever I say I'm taking it on an XFA, guys just take it with me.
It's a real trade, basically.
No, that's like a real
Not to
trade.
say the other ones aren't a real trade, but you know, it's just a combine. It's not a
Very
it's like
honestly,
practice.
guys, yeah, when it comes to combines, unless I see like a proper setup, uh I mean, let's say if I see a proper setup, of course I'll execute it with a higher lot size. But if I don't get a proper setup, but I see a lot of volume there, I'll just try to pass it. I don't care about taking 7 days in a combine, or maybe even 3 days in a combine, and following proper rules and regulations of a playbook. I don't do that in combines because being on a combine stage doesn't pay me. And I have enough credibility and enough. I know what I'm doing on the charts to, just be kind of like a degenerate on the combines, and that is how like I pass them in uh, 2 days max. Of course, this doesn't mean that I'm rotating through multiple combines. No, I still like to not blow those combines. But yeah, some days I do go off tilt and blow like one or two combines in a day. But that's only if I have like 4 XFAs or 5 XFAs with payouts already taken. So that is how I'm managing all of this. And yeah, and very honestly, I don't care if you like gamble your on your combines, or yeah, if you are not taking any setups, you're just trying to pass it quickly. Till the time you can remain disciplined to your strategy on the XFAs, it doesn't matter what you do on the combines. But again, that totally depends if you're a beginner or not.
Yeah, it looks like we now got like this top wick we were looking for, but there's only 7 minutes on this
It's
candle,
so
so
late.
yeah, it's too late.
Yeah, now you can wait for the 30.
1
See if
hour.
it poses strong resistance. Yeah.
Yep.
W no entry on those cells. George.
Yeah, of course, bro. We needed that high.
We needed that.
And it's so
And
slow.
if this closes weak, I'm calling it, bro.
I
At
feel
this
you.
point.
I'm already
Sing me a
calling.
lullaby and put me to sleep.
Yep.
Need some Rebecca Black to hype you back up.
Yeah, it's Friday.
Friday. Friday. Not bad.
For outro music today, let me send, or you know what, George, you send Janosch an outro music for today.
Ah, bro, we playing Rebecca Black.
About to say better than that Friday.
Cannot do that to our viewers. That's like the worst
And
performance in
No,
human
can we
history.
play that? It's Friday then. It's Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday. What?
Yeah, play that, you know.
I don't
Play
know how.
that.
Yeah.
You gotta send it to me because I don't know the title.
Yeah. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What?
Funny.
Where is Janosch?
You know,
There.
you know, the greatest.
Greatest
Hamburg
around.
this weekend? Question mark? Question mark? Question mark?
Yo, Janosch, how did you get that background on your Discord, bro? That Pepe spraying money all around?
Oh,
I also want
on
that.
your profile settings.
Check it out.
Oh,
You can change your banner.
yo.
You can even change the look of your whole Discord colors on it.
Ole.
I'm on Nitro, bro.
Bro, how come I can't see
Make
it?
it like
Yeah, you need
LGHTT.
Nitro.
Hey, yo. Why can't I
Yo,
get? Oh yeah, I see it now. Spraying
where
money.
did the football guy go? He didn't answer, bro. Crowd Crackers football. Yo,
That Ibra.
still there?
Do you guys use no activation fee accounts for your combines? Always,
Hell
brother.
yeah.
Or
Oh,
recommend standard combines. I actually, if you're a beginner, I actually do recommend standard combines. But if you're like know what you're doing and been trading, definitely just no activation fee for your combines. And if you like, been passing combines and stuff. If you're not passing combines or just save your money and go with the other version.
Yeah, if you can manage to pass trading combines in like 2-3 trades, and you don't struggle with combines, just go for the no activation accounts. If not, you're still learning, then definitely do standard combines, because the standard combines are easy to blow because they're much cheaper. That's literally the only reason.
Right.
Alrighty, will this 15 close below in 2 minutes? Goldie acting up.
Lows below.
No, 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 no. No problem. Profile widget. Profile banner.
Yeah. Is that what you're doing now, bro?
Yes, sir.
You're funny.
I mean, what else you gonna do if gold acts like this?
I have a buy limit chilling. Yeah. Yo, come on.
There's no ways I found this, bro.
What you talking about?
Bro, look at my banner.
Let me see.
No way.
Oh,
Really
no.
fun.
How did
No way.
That is hilarious.
How did you find the matching one to mine?
Bro, I saw it and I thought of Pepe.
I'm on one.
That's funny.
Yo, it's taking 10,000 years to change it for me, bro. What the?
What'd you change it to, baby?
Yeah,
Check
I
out.
mean.
Yo, the 50 might close below, so I might be interested.
Oh,
Big
but no
gain.
bottom wick though.
You're doing this again?
Maybe. Yeah, we got a week.
Yeah.
Let me open your perspective, George.
George in a senior.
Yeah, it's a new 1 hour, new 30, so definitely need a top wick if we do manage to close below.
4 hour rejecting. Okay.
In the middle.
Ah.
Yeah, we closed above, but I might still be interested.
Yeah, let's see if we come up
30.
first. Yeah. I'm interested.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll have a small position here.
Small position. Bro, go for a big one. Come on.
Nah.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see. This is what my position will look like if we get activated.
You have the lows, right?
Yeah, I got the lows.
Not current.
Previous.
Yeah.
I need that previous 30 low to break. Yeah, 1 hour close bearish, 4 hours rejecting, 30-minute created a new resistance. 15, this is the only issue, so I'm going lower, is that the 15 did close above. But I think it's still valid at the break of these lows, given the 30, 1 hour of closing strong bearish.
Order filled.
W. Come on, can we get a bleeder? Bleed.
I'll take this with you, George.
Take it if you like it, bro. I've accepted that this could be an L, and that's okay with me.
I like the trade.
I just hope it doesn't take like 2 hours to either stop me out to hit my
Yeah.
TP. That's all. I just don't want to be in the trade for until Asian tomorrow.
Might be.
You know what? On GC it closed below the 15.
Oh really?
Yep.
Let me actually take these on my combines. I forgot about my combines. Oh yeah, it did. W. I don't mind us breaking the high here, to be honest. But at some point we'll need to reject.
I mean, if we break that, then we should have no business coming back down. Like, should be good.
Would be a good sign if we start, if we come down, start coming down heavy.
Yeah.
And not just, slowly creep down.
You come down with some momentum, some velocity.
Yeah.
Hey, there he is.
Really hard
I
to
think
catch.
if we break.
Sorry. Go on.
No, I was reading the chat. Go.
I was just about to say it's really hard to catch a clean move in London this week.
True.
Yeah.
There's barely any.
Junior thinks if we break 46.05, we should be gone. Hopefully,
Our
brother.
futures. Hey, Jer, how are you, brother? How are you? How's everything?
Let's see how long we have to wait.
By the way, guys, people in the chat, how are things at TTE? Have they been taking some good trades? Because like we haven't been in touch. How's everything there? Oh damn!
I have a sell stop too.
Okay, TTE also has a sell stop. Nice. See?
15
Everybody
cent.
can coexist. W.
Makes sense.
Yeah, guys, I'm not in the sell with y'all. I'll wait for buys. I don't mind being wrong. But damn, if I win, holy. No,
Okay.
just kidding, just kidding.
Yeah, that's
Alrighty.
a little bit much right now. All right, so I'm gonna be deleting. I'm gonna be deleting that. I don't know
Mhm.
what gold is up to.
Just want to range, I guess.
So I'll be deleting that, and I will
Play that
definitely
outro.
be calling it
I-
because nah,
Play that out. That's hilarious.
I'm good on that. I'm good.
Goalie doesn't want to play with us in London. That's okay. We come back NY, pre-NY,
Mhm.
somewhere there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So let's call it. We'll come back for
Yeah.
New York. Thank
I
you
will most
everyone for
probably be there for
joining.
pre-NY. Yeah. Sorry, George.
Okay,
Go,
W.
please.
Thank you everyone for joining. Much
Yes,
love.
sir.
We really appreciate every single one of you for coming in. Yeah, Goldie just chopped these right here as we started the stream was probably the cleanest move right there. And it moved right after we called it. So if some of you took that, I know Legrand did, but if some of you took that, this was probably the cleanest move of the session. Other than that, right after that, we just started ranging and there was nothing. But W
That's it.
patience, W
Sir.
session.
Yes,
I
sir.
had fun with you guys, and yeah, see you guys, at least see London on Monday. The rest in the Discord will see you for New York.
Yes, sir. Thank you, everybody.
Thank
ya.
you guys
See
for
ya.
watching.
W.
Mufasa, you know we finally here, right?
Thank you, YouTube.
It's
W
Friday
chat.
then. It's
W.
Saturday,
And
Sunday.
Peace. Have a blessed day.
thank you.
I thought the hands of time would change me, and I'd be over this by now. Yeah, it's been too long since we got crazy. I'm lucky spinning out. I'm counting down till Friday come. I'm gonna do too much. No, I'm all in my bag, that's clutch. Feeling it, feeling it, feeling it. Every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, endless weekend on.